Good day, traders. Today, we will be trading pocket options in the OTC market. I have been trading since last night and discovered an excellent, effortless strategy for making profitable trades in the OTC market. This strategy involves using some popular indicators on the pocket option platform. First, the Relative Strength Index RSI helps us gauge the strength of the market by considering its fluctuations and behavior in each currency pair. Additionally, I use the Commodity Channel Index CCI, which helps identify prevailing market trends and assists traders in deciding when to buy or sell at current market prices. I also employed two exponential moving averages to detect potential trend reversals. Take a look at this chart. The two exponential moving averages crossed at this level while both the CCI and RSI reached their top resistance levels. This is an ideal spot to trade and aim for higher positions whenever the two EMAs cross with each other. As a result, we achieved excellent and profitable returns. Now let's trade with another currency pair. We need to wait for our three indicators to align favorably before beginning a new trade. Each indicator must filter through one another for optimal results. Upon closer examination, we see that the CCI has reached its lowest support level while our RSI is also at its lowest support level. Our candlestick chart displays a series of long red bars here, followed by a green bar that suggests an upward trend. Therefore, let's trade higher on this one. In today's trading session, I primarily experienced positive trades totaling nearly $400 in gains. As shown here, all indicators and oscillators are aligned with our strategy. Now is the best chance to trade lower. Subscribe and like this video for more free amazing trading strategies with pocket option.